Hey everyone, alright, so this is, I don't know what part of how many videos I'm gonna do of me like doing my setup at home. As you guys know, I am trying to like get started into not streaming, but I definitely want to post like gaming videos and stuff like that. I did a video of me mounting the hardware, the TV, the PlayStation. And then I did another video of me hooking up the Elgato HDS Plus. This is me just doing some much needed cable management. I've done cable management with TVs before. I definitely want to do more cable management projects in the future with my stuff, because like it's not enough to just have like a nice setup, but like a clean look is everything. So this is obviously what I've got going on right now. And I moved some of it already before I started filming, but this is what I'm working with. So you can see I got a box on the floor. I got a bunch of things coming out of that. And then I also have some wires going up to the TV up top. So I'm going to try to make this look as clean as I can, and y'all will hopefully appreciate it. I'm going to be using this cable management system. You can get this on Amazon for, I think it's like 15 bucks or something. It comes with everything you need to like go around corners, double-sided tape, and a way to actually mount like the stuff in. I just use double-sided tape to secure everything, and I don't do a lot of around corners, but I have done some stuff. But this is what I'm going to be using today to mount. So let's get going. Ready to rock and roll. Alright. Hopefully this video didn't run too long, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it.